Hi friends, how are you? I hope this finds you well. I've got a bunch of things to share with you, and right now we're gonna unpack Jewel Loom's Creative Soul box. So before I go down to the table this month for Creative Soul box, we're going to be doing a project with the new Wisdom Warrior Jewel Loom. Isn't she a beaut? Hopefully you guys can see me. But she is just absolutely gorgeous, and she's now available in Jules' shop. And if you want to join the Creative Soul box, you can also do that. It'll open up again, I think, in another month or so. It's a monthly curated box that Jules put together. Our first project on the Wisdom Warrior is we made this fun hat band. I don't know if you can see it, but we made a fun hat band on there. And then we have another project this month, and I will just show you the beads, and then you can find out later what we're doing. So let's go down to the table. So here's Jules' Creative Soul box, and every box comes with a snack and a tea from Jules, so you can enjoy while you're creating, in her beautiful blue bag here. So this month we have this beautiful clasp for our project. Super excited. How pretty is that? And then I have two. I bought an extra because they were just so pretty. And then this bag of mixed beads here. So very pretty. Finding a place that I can show it to you guys. So look at that. Look at those greens and blues. Such a pretty combo. Super excited. And then these are probably for the base. So they're like 6/0 seed beads. Match my bowl very well there. And then last but not least, some more decorative pieces. It adds just a pop of purples and greens. Very pretty. Thank you, Jules. This is a beautiful box. So make sure you follow my affiliate link if you want to join in on our Creative Soul box monthly with Jules. You can learn how to create, and also make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys.